Date is the 17th of November 2020. And this is Vaarinkatu 10. The only staircase in this is a residential building. Starting again. Date is the 17th of November 2020, and this is Vaarinkatu 10. The only staircase in this residential building here in Järvenpää, Finland, with 5 floors. And this is also amazing. It's an Otis F2000 that was built in 1997. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams. And the serial number is B1 and E2016. It will be inspected in 2022. And it's got 5 floors and a focus button. And it will be 25 years old also in 2022 already. Not bad. Oh, battery ended. Change it. Records have are start again.
Yeah.
It happens. After about 20 elevators and 2 rides.
Yeah. Inspektit vaikka vain, mutta mietin vaikka on.
The date is the 17th of November 2020. Finland. It's amazing. It's an Otis F2000 that was built in 1997. The capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams, and the serial number is B1 and E2016. And it's going to be inspected in 2022, and it's turning 25 years old already. It's got 5 floors. Action. I like the braking sound. And there's a door close button here. Doesn't seem to be working really. The door close button is not in use. Because we need to save some time from what's one ride is enough.
Yeah. Somebody's coming for the 4th floor.